Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play slow motion in video for iPhone. Let's start. So, say for instance, you want to capture a video in slow motion. There's actually like two ways for you to do that. One would be, well, you could always install video editing apps for you to have this feature on your iPhone, or if you want to capture videos wherein you have slow motion feature, or if you want to utilize other features for the video editing app, you can also do that. But today I'm just gonna simply show you the slow motion function that we have on iPhone. So a good thing about iPhone, guys, is that there's an option for you to have the slow mo like this one. So when you access, so let's go back. So when you hit on camera, okay, there's an option for you to, like, just if you slide, if you notice this, okay. So if you want to take a slow mo or have your video in slow mo, you just need to press this one, okay, and then just play it, and then it would the phone would actually capture the video and do it in slow mo when they play. There's an option for you to do time lapse. So time lapse, you can have different tutorial for that, but for now you can just do slow mo, and just pretty much just taking the video as is. And then even if it's already like 5 seconds, 6 second, when you play that, it's actually on slow motion already. Although I can't play because my screen sharing would actually I would lose my screen sharing once I play that. um I could actually just show you how it's done through through this function. Okay? So in case you forgot how it's done, you could always go to support@apple.com, and then there's ways for you to show you there how it's done on your camera. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.